Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today we have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This one is the black titanium one. I choose the black because it looked really good, and it has been a long time since I used a black phone. I've had the white phone, deep purple 14 Pro Max. Now I have the gold one, the 16 Pro Max desert titanium. I'm gonna show you right now how it looks, and I'm really excited to have a Samsung again. So yeah, let's go, let's unpack it. Let's take the phone out. Okay, so this is the phone. The sides are in natural titanium and the back is black. Really good looking. Okay, and the phone package, there is nothing. I think everything is, yeah. So this is what you will find in the box: some papers and a cable to charge the phone. For the rest, there's nothing so special. And the phone, man, it looks so clean. Yeah, it looks really good. I really love the look. Look at that. Yeah, I'm really happy with this color. Also, we have the S Pen. Man, I love this phone. This looks really clean. I love it. So now let's take a closer look to the phone. For me, this color is really perfect. Also, the design of the phone, I really do love it. The sides in natural titanium and the back in black titanium, looking really good. So now I'm gonna show you more details of the phone with both of my hands. As you can see, this color is really good looking. The black titanium color, I really do love it. So let's start the phone. We'll take this off. Really good looking, big screen, 6.9 inches. So let's start the phone. Here we go. There you go. Looking really good. So for now, I'm gonna start up the phone. I'm gonna set it up, and then we will come back to check the new software of the new One UI 7. So now the phone is all set up. Let's check it out. There we go. Yeah. It's okay now. Oh man, it's been a long time that I used the Samsung. Okay, so this is the new One UI. Okay. It looks really clean, to be honest. I really love it. I will test it out a little bit and I will let you guys know what I think about it. So I have been using this phone for a few minutes, and to be honest, it feels really smooth. Everything works really well. The phone feels smooth. Also the weight of the phone, it feels really good, and it's really comfortable on my hand. Also, this phone has the S Pen, a really cool feature. You can do a lot of things with. You can take notes, you can do a lot of things. It is not the S Pen like the S24 Ultra. You cannot take pictures just with Bluetooth and the button. I don't know why Samsung stopped doing that. The only thing that changes is the camera. I cannot take pictures anymore with this button. Before you could, now you cannot anymore. But it's still cool to have a pen. It's really useful. Sometimes you can use it for a lot of things on this phone. I will surely also make a video about the camera really soon, and you guys let me know what you want to know about this phone. And also soon I will compare this phone with the 16 Pro Max that I have right now and see which one is faster, which one is stronger, which one is more of a beast. I think this one is really strong. It's gonna be a really close one with the iPhone. I will also compare the camera, the battery, the speed, everything. So that will be my next video, I think. And you guys let me know in the comments what you want to see about this phone, what you want to know, and what kind of video I should make about this phone. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.